Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in. I'm trying to be a little bit more regular with my videos, so hopefully this is a good start. I had a video go up a couple of days ago, and this one is just a little bit of a haul because I haven't filmed in such a long time. I thought I have a few products that I've accumulated in the past couple of months that are still sitting in the box, and I just haven't had the chance to open it up and get into it. Plus, I really wanted to film it. Like film a haul before I actually started using those products. So I thought finally get started and get the haul going and stuff. So yeah, this is a sort of mainly a Sephora haul, and I had two orders with Sephora. So some of the products are pretty old as well by now, just because I haven't been able to film as per se. So yeah, it's a mainly Sephora haul, and I have a few products here and there in the mix that I've got over the past month, I think. So anyways, let's get started. I will just I've combined the haul in one box. So this is everything from Sephora. It's all in this one box, and I'm just gonna pull up a shit here. Okay, I'm just gonna like dive straight in. I think some of these things I got when Sephora had like a huge sale, and then they had another sale a few weeks ago, I believe, which was like a 20% off sale for Black Card members, and then they had a 15% off sale for White Card or something like that. So it's a collective haul. I normally tend to shop when there's a sale. Sometimes if I really need something, I'll just go ahead and get it, but if there is a sale, even if I don't need it, I'm probably gonna go buy something. So I tend to do online orders simply because I do use SHOPBACK. If you don't know what SHOPBACK is, no, this is not a sponsored video because most of them are. SHOPBACK is something that when you use their link to shop for, you get a little bit of a rebate for it. And one of my managers at work introduced me to it, so I've been using that, and I have been getting a few rebates here and there. So if you want to learn what SHOPBACK is, I will leave the link down below, which can take you to their website, and you can do a little bit of diving in. But anyways, let's get started with the haul finally. I feel like it's a long intro, but anyways. So the first thing coming out of the box, I have this Tarte High Performance Naturals. I believe this is like a blush palette. I actually forgot I had one of these. This is the clutch one. I was thinking, I really need to update my blush collection because I haven't bought for a blush. I haven't bought a blush in a long time. But yeah, so this is more of like a clutch style. So you've got all your blushes right here. I feel like this is more of a bronzer kind of color. And then this one right here could be like a nice highlight as well. So that is what it is. And you've got you've got a mirror there, and you've got like card slots down here. So pretty cool. I will be featuring this in an upcoming video. Finally can get started using it. The next thing coming out of the box is the Fenty Beauty Kilowatt Foil. This was a long time ago. I'm pretty sure this one I got it in a sale. I actually never wanted to get it, but because it was in a sale, I was like, yeah, why not? Plus, I tend to love Fenty products anyway to begin with, so yeah, it looks really good. Like in person, that looks really good. It's very foiled, very shimmery, very nice, and like, yeah, I mean, I think this would be really nice. So again, we'll probably do an eye look with this. The mirror is pretty nice and decent sized. So it's a lightweight palette, it's cardboard. Do seem to like the shade in there. And you've got all the shade names at the back here, so it's holographic at the back there. Something else that I got in the sale was the Marc Jacobs On the Dot 3-piece Lamarck Liquid Lip Crayon collection. It's got 3 shades in there. You've got Ready to Go, Night Mauves, and Plum and Get It. So definitely something I am looking forward to using. I can't believe I haven't got this out of the packet yet. So something recently that I got was the Becca, Chloe, and Malika lipstick. What shade is this? This is in Cupid's Kiss. This I haven't used yet. And I do have to say their packaging with this collection was amazing. This one is pretty simple and basic, but all the other stuff that they came out with was really fantastic. And especially the, I think it was the bronzer that they had come out with. Like, the whole style of it was fantastic. I didn't seem to care too much for it to buy it, but I really did like the packaging for that one. The color in this one is really, really nice, right up my alley. When I looked at it online, I was like, oh yes, definitely give me it. Again, I think I might just do like a full face. That might be like the best option, I think. This one is going back in the box just because it's such beautiful packaging. And also the box for it is really nice. Definitely appreciate that. I also picked up, now this was recent, this is the Fenty Beauty Bomb Baby Mini Lip and Face Set. Looks something like that. And then you've got a little peek through here as well. So I think the highlighter is the Hustler Baby and the lip gloss is Fenty Glow. Hustler Baby is one of the most popular ones, I believe. Let's find out. The packaging with Fenty is really, really nice. And for some reason, like, I just always love Fenty products. I haven't tried the Moroccan Spice eyeshadow palette. So I wouldn't have a clue about their eyeshadows, but like their foundations and everything, like, hell yeah. Their liquid lipsticks, amazing. Some of the best that I've ever used. And they stay put. Like, they're not transfer resistant, but for some reason, like, when you have them on, they're comfortable on the lips and everything. I have a whole video that I can link down below and up in the cards somewhere as well. But this is the gloss. It's a bit weird. Is that normal? Anyways. It smells really good. Oh, that smells really good. It smells like, you know those candles? Like, they smell so good. So this is the Fenty Glow. Again, I think this would go really well with the Chloe and Malika lipstick. And then we've got the Hustler Baby. Oh yes. It reminds me a lot of Becca, not Champagne Pop. Which one do I have? One of the Becca highlighters. This one I do want to swatch. Oh, it's very buttery and very creamy. So that's what that looks like. That's really nice. Very golden, very very tan skin appropriate. Do quite like that. It's really nice. When it comes to Fenty, I always want to use it. So it's amazing that I haven't been able to and hold this off. But I have to say, like, I just got this recently. It's not been too long. Okay, something else that I got again from Fenty Beauty is this little duo. This is the Fenty Fly Baby Mini Eye Primer and the Liner Set. That's the front of the back. I don't know, but then you've got this. I think this is the front. That is the back. So nothing. I think it's just a basic eye primer with, yeah, eye primer with the liquid liner. I've been waiting to try the liquid liner for a while now, so really excited to have that in my collection. I also picked up the Bite Beauty. What is this? It's a Muse Beige lipstick with reserve. I'm not even going to try, but this is in the color Hot Teresa. Hot Teresa. It's an interesting name. Oh, that's an amazing color. Wow. Oh, that smells so good. It smells like one of those essential oils, but that's just a beautiful color. I cannot wait. I think this is one of the samples that you get when you purchase above a certain amount. This is the Ulla Henriksen Glow 2 OH Dark Spot Toner. I think this is a sample size, so I'm assuming that was with the purchase of the whole thing. Got a couple more samples. This is the Peter Thomas Roth Firmer, Smoother, Younger Looking Skin in 7 Days. This is the Hungarian Thermal Water. It's just one of those sachets. And then I've got the Sephora. And then I've got the Sephora Beauty Amplifier Smoothing Primer, again in like this tiny little sachet right here. I have two more products from Sephora. Let's see. So I also picked up the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Hydrating Longwear Foundation. I do have the soft matte finish foundation, which I really do love and enjoy. So I figured I would give this one a go and see what it's like. A lot of the influencers have been using this, and they've had good results from it. So I was really high hopes from this one. So I'm hoping it's amazing, just like the other one. Last thing that I ended up getting from Sephora, I think that's literally the last thing, is the Norvina palette by Anastasia Beverly Hills. I feel like I don't have each and every palette from Anastasia, but I feel like I tend to gravitate towards at least like one or the other. And initially when this one came out, I wasn't planning on getting it, but again, I cannot resist a good sale, and I'm pretty sure, knowing me, when there's another sale, I'm probably going to end up getting the Jackie Aina palette. I do not think I will go for the Norvina Pro Volt collection, I think that's what it's called. But I think the Jackie Aina, because I tend to seem, like I seem to gravitate more towards these palettes, and I wouldn't be surprised if I get that. Not good. I am quite eyeing the Urban Decay Naked Honey palette. Really like the color scheme on that one. So it hasn't come out here in Australia yet. I think it comes out on the 26th, which is 3 days from now. So we'll find out. But until then, I think I can satisfy my craving for color with this palette. I think it's a beautiful palette. It's got a lot of foil shadows like right here, and a good area of matte shadows. Really interesting. It's nothing out of the ordinary, to be honest, with this palette. I feel like I just like it, and I feel like I wanted to have it, so I ended up getting it. It's a bad habit when you seem to collect eyeshadows, because I have a lot of eyeshadows that I don't at the moment. Like it's not enough time, and I work full time, so it's not like I do YouTube full time where I can actually go through palettes really quickly. And I don't think anybody would go through palettes as quickly, especially with bigger channels. They would have so much more coming their way. I literally spend my money on this, so it's a lot. It's hard work that's going with these, but anyways, yeah, I'm hoping, I think we have pretty much products to almost create a full face, so I might actually put all of these products into a video hopefully soon. I think with the Fenty palette and everything, I might actually be looking at creating 2 separate videos. But I do have loads more content to film as well, which I'm really keen on. Like, I want to jump in. I think I've got my setup right and everything, so loads coming your way. I'm rambling on. Moving on. Alright guys, that marks the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed. I hope you found it somewhat amusing. It was nothing detailed. I just wanted to, I always love doing hauls, and I always love watching hauls. So I figured I would just throw one at you, and I hope you found this entertaining somewhat. If you did, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Until next time, take care. Bye.